Tired of manually transferring your Ninja form submissions to Sendinblue, wasting precious time and energy? In this video, we will show you how to seamlessly connect Ninja forms to Sendinblue using Zapier, automating your contact sensing and simplifying your email marketing efforts. First, log into your Zapier account or create one. If you don't have one yet, click on the Create Zap button to start building your automation. Next, select Ninja Forms as your trigger at Choose New Form Submission. As the trigger event, connect your Ninja Forms account to Zapier. Granting Zapier the necessary permissions, select the specific Ninja form you want to use to trigger the automation. Now, it's time to set up the action. Select Sendinblue as your action app. Choose Create Contact as the action event. Connect your Sendinblue account to Zapier, ensuring Zapier can access your contact lists. Here comes the critical part: mapping the fields. Match the data from your Ninja Forms fields, like name and email, to the corresponding fields in your Sendinblue contact list. This ensures your contact information is transferred accurately. Consider adding filters to your Zap to only add contacts that meet certain criteria, like opting into your newsletter. This ensures you're only adding relevant contacts to your Sendinblue list. Test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Once you're satisfied, turn on your Zap. Congratulations! Now, every new submission to your chosen Ninja form will automatically create a new contact in your Sendinblue account, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most: engaging with your audience and growing your business.